Hi everyone, this is Anne. Today I wanted to share with you two of my most important skincare ingredients. And I use these morning and night every day. They work well with other active ingredients in your skincare routine, such as vitamin C products or vitamin A derived products. And they do a great job at anti-aging the skin. I really feel that anyone over the age of 40 should be using these ingredients in their skincare routine. I'm 56 and I have seen a lot of improvement since I started incorporating these two ingredients into my routine. As always, I'll list and link any product that I show or talk about down beneath this video in the description box and also in the first comment underneath this video in case there's an item you want to go on and read more about. So the first of my two most important skincare ingredients in my routine are DNA repair enzymes. And DNA repair enzymes help to remove DNA damage. They stop the breakdown of collagen within the skin. They help to reduce lines and wrinkles. They even the skin tone, and they help to reduce skin cancers. They can be used any time of the day or evening, and they work really well with other active ingredients such as your vitamin C products or your vitamin A derived products such as retinols, retinaldehydes, or tretinoin creams. There are a couple different types of DNA repair enzymes, and some of them work best during the day with the light. And these are best used either underneath your sunscreen, or you can purchase sunscreen that have these DNA enzymes in them. And I have two sunscreens that have DNA repair enzymes in them. One is not tinted, and this one is a more satin finish. And I like to use this one more on the body or the backs of my hands when I'm out and about. And then my other one is a tinted sunscreen. This has a peach tint to it, which helps to brighten the skin tone and even the skin tone. And it is more of a matte finish. It works really well, almost like a makeup primer underneath my makeup. And I use this one daily. Even if I'm not going to apply makeup, I like to use this one just to even my skin tone and brighten my skin. And then there are DNA repair enzymes that do not require light. They stimulate your natural DNA repair, so they're best used at nighttime. And there are a couple different brands that make these, and I will just list the brands and the products beneath this video in case you want to go read more about them. These are pretty similar, and you want to apply these as your first product on clean skin. And then you can apply other actives or other skincare products over these, but you want to use your DNA repair enzymes first on clean skin. And that also goes for body lotion. They have body lotion that has the DNA repair enzymes in it. And again, you just want to apply that to clean skin before you apply a sunscreen or any other products on. There's a really great interview with the doctor who is the expert in DNA repair enzymes. And Penny from Penn Smith Skincare here on YouTube did an interview with him, and I will link that beneath this video because it's very interesting and she asks all kinds of in-depth questions. So you might find that very helpful if you have questions about DNA repair enzymes. The other skincare ingredient that is so important in my routine now that I'm in my 50s is the use of topical estrogen. And once you hit menopause, within the first 5 years, your collagen is decreased by 30%. So there's a study, and I will link it beneath this video, that shows that using topical estrogen for 6 months can help to increase skin elasticity, firmness, and moisture content. Plus, it helps to reduce wrinkles by between 61% and 100%. There are a couple different types of estrogen. There's estradiol, which is a little bit stronger, or estriol, which is the weaker form. And you can go to your doctor and get a prescription for an estradiol or an estriol cream, or you can find USP estradiol or estriol creams online, and I'll link a few beneath this video in case you're interested, that are over the counter. And I have one that has both estriol and estradiol in it, and I just apply a little of this to my face each morning and night. The study also showed that there were no systemic increase in your estrogen levels when you use a topical estrogen cream on your face. And there was no irritation. But again, this is something you should probably check with your doctor, especially if you have family history of cancer, just to make sure that they give you the okay to use it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you use either DNA repair enzymes and or topical estrogen on your skin, I would love to hear from you on your thoughts on it, so please comment below. Thank you so much for watching.